Hi, my name is Nels Henderson, and I'm a professor in UCSB's PaCE program. I teach digital marketing strategy and web analytics.
My name is Don Blumenthal, and I teach here at UCSB's Professional and Continuing Education Department.
My classes rely upon my experience as a marketing person.
Prior to teaching at UCSB, I served 2 Fortune 100 companies as Vice President of Marketing for Tyson Foods and Vice President and General Manager for ConAgra Incorporated.
So I worked at Citrix Online. I was a website manager for over 10 years. I was also, before that, a political campaign consultant and ran campaigns for Congress, state senate, mayor, city council, county supervisor. I even did a stint in the Iowa caucus 1 year for president and helped a presidential candidate. I know how to message people. I know how to build advertising on multiple platforms, whether they be digital or not. And I really take my teaching seriously, and I want to make sure you're successful.
I'm thrilled to be a part of a great team of instructors, administrators, and students. I teach business negotiation, selling for non-sales professionals, and my signature course, Business and Personal Branding. By taking marketing courses through PaCE, it gives you the opportunity to expand your vision, and if you're so inclined, to earn a marketing certificate. With a marketing certificate, or even by taking various marketing-related courses, you will differentiate yourself from others by marketing yourself uniquely when applying for a job. You show the hiring manager that you can add additional value to their organization, and that you took the time and energy to improve your own personal brand. The PaCE program here at UCSB is a wonderful place to grow, to learn from instructors who have been there and done that. Our instructors come from business and industry. We don't just teach theory, we teach real-life experiences in the business world. So come join us. I know you'll enjoy it, and I know you'll get a lot out of it. Thank you.